Not all information available focuses on foods to avoid, but how about a drink that is both delicious and beneficial? Imagine something enjoyable that may even qualify as dessert, enhancing your blood pressure and cardiovascular health. Even better, it's organic and it's readily obtainable. This remarkable drink, which I refer to as liquid black, is truly nature's Viagra. It's simple to acquire and easy to use. Interestingly, Aztec ruler Moctezuma reportedly consumed around 50 cups daily. He blended it with spices to please his many wives and concubines. In modern research, the journey of this beverage begins in the 1990s with the Kuna Indians. Observing their vibrant lifestyle sparked interest, leading researchers to discover their drink's influence on longevity and health. Unlike many of us today, none had hypertension, high blood pressure, or heart disease. As they aged, they continued to enjoy life, indulging in salt and the occasional tobacco use. Researchers determined there was nothing genetically different about the Kuna Indians. The key differentiator? They consumed 5 cups of nature's liquid black daily. Notably, we initiate this discussion focusing on cardiovascular health. Heart health and erectile health are interlinked. You cannot have one without the other. Blood is pumped from the heart to various body tissues, especially erectile tissue. As activity decreases with age and testosterone levels drop, blood flow to erectile tissue diminishes. The blood vessels weaken, producing less nitric oxide, leading to penile tissue atrophy. The result? Much less rigidity than in earlier years. For those concerned about shrinkage, I have a video detailing prevention and reversal methods, so check it out. On my channel, I assist you even as you age. I promote the idea of aging in reverse. Be sure to view this video because your experience doesn't have to follow that pattern. While you do that, consider subscribing to my channel. Together, we can reach 1 million subscribers as I continue to share unique insights you can't find elsewhere. To significantly enhance erectile function, improved blood flow is essential. You need healthier arteries and veins, stronger pelvic floor control, and optimal blood pressure. Additionally, it's crucial to repair endothelial cells, reduce anxiety, and exercise erectile tissue. Although it sounds like a lot, remember, this one drink you can start your day with can potentially address at least 4 core transformations. That magic beverage is cocoa. The Kuna Indians of Central America enjoyed 5 cups of flavonoid-rich cocoa, about 900 milligrams daily. However, this isn't Nestlé hot chocolate or that Hershey syrup marketed as black gold. This is raw cacao, crushed and prepared as a savory liquid black drink. Cocoa beans rank among the richest sources of flavonoids. Proanthocyanins create cocoa's natural bitterness. Unfortunately, when cocoa is processed into the American forms we often indulge in, many flavonoids are lost, along with their benefits. Additionally, American manufacturers often add excessive high-fructose corn syrup and emulsifiers, which harm your blood vessel lining and affect blood pressure. So avoid those options. Stick around until the end and I'll guide you through a step-by-step recipe for liquid black. Why is flavanol-rich cocoa so potent, and how can it assist you in enhancing rigidity? Let's dive into that. Every blood vessel in your body features an endothelium, a specialized cell that produces nitric oxide. It plays a significant role in the health of your blood vessels. Ask yourself, are your blood vessels as flexible as a 20-year-old's, or do they resemble those of a 90-year-old? These vessels must expand and contract to facilitate blood flow during an erection. Many men with erectile dysfunction exhibit endothelial dysfunction, which is an early indicator of heart disease, and you may notice it in your erections. Several studies observed 15 healthy participants consuming flavanol-rich cocoa and noted improved blood flow within hours. The changes were comparable to those seen after consuming nitrate supplements or smoothies. Moreover, scientists tracked 21 healthy individuals over 2 weeks, revealing enhanced blood flow in the brachial artery, and it happens rapidly. Smokers facing erectile dysfunction prove difficult to treat, as smoking damages blood vessel linings and nitric oxide production. However, flavanol-rich cocoa improves blood vessel dilation, optimizes platelet function, reducing blood clot risks. Additionally, it promotes increased nitric oxide production, all from a simple flavored cocoa drink. In fact, a group of 101 men with erectile dysfunction drank a cocoa mixture with spices and chilies each night. After 12 weeks, participants with mild erectile dysfunction showed a 79% improvement, while those with moderate and severe dysfunction exhibited 83% and 67% improvements, respectively. Despite potential discomfort from spicy ingredients, their erections were noticeably improved. Cocoa's benefits have also been demonstrated among individuals facing serious health challenges, like uncontrolled diabetes or congestive heart failure. Numerous studies consistently show that drinking flavanol-rich cocoa enhances blood flow. Here's how you prepare it. Select high flavanol cocoa powder, not Nestlé or Hershey's. Combine a scoop with a mug of hot water, stirring until dissolved. Add a teaspoon of raw honey for flavor, which also offers notable health properties. Honey is high in zinc, possesses antifungal and antibacterial properties, and aids in glucose regulation, supporting blood sugar management. Now thoroughly mix your liquid black and enjoy. For those sensitive to caffeine, try half a scoop, as it can provide energy and potentially improve blood vessel and blood flow function. Just be cautious, as too much may lead to anxiety. Everyone's body responds differently. What works for one may not work for another. Research shows cocoa can help lower blood pressure, enhance vascular function, and reduce clotting risks by diminishing platelet aggregation. These benefits arise in both healthy individuals and those with hypertension, diabetes, or established heart disease. Always consult your doctor before trying anything new. You may wonder how this all works. Well, nitric oxide production improves, while the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects support this powerful drink, fulfilling its role as nature's VIAGRA, symbolized by summertime watermelon and winter cocoa. So, subscribe to learn more about all natural solutions for men's health. I'm Dr. Peter Whyte, and I appreciate your attention. Thank you, and see you soon.